Let's talk about how simple AI tools can totally change the game for your community pharmacy. Does your pharmacy get a little chaotic right before closing time? Yeah, we've all been there. Right? The line gets long, a WhatsApp message pings, and no one has time to reply.
And here's the thing about speed. It isn't just about efficiency. It's all about how customers feel.
So, what if there was a better way? Imagine a day that's just smoother, powered by simple AI. Like this. A customer asks about a medicine and gets an instant reply, even after you've closed.
This frees up your team for the conversations that really matter, the ones that build loyalty.
And no, this isn't some expensive sci-fi stuff. These tools are affordable and easy. Let's dive in. First up, instant replies. Think of it as an AI that handles all those common questions for you. Seriously, how many times a day does your team answer these exact questions over and over again? Well, AI can knock out about 80% of them. No more missed sales from unanswered messages. Okay, tool number 2, faster prescription refills. This is a big one for consistency and sales. An automatic reminder like this is a win-win. Healthier clients and more predictable revenue for you. And third, AI can be a super fast assistant for your staff, helping them find info in a snap. Even shaving off 30 seconds per customer, well, that adds up big time over a whole day. And there's more. AI can help you predict busy hours or even draft SOPs and messages. So, why does all this speed matter so much right now? What's the big deal? It's about perception. A slow reply says disorganized. An instant one, it says, I've got this. See? Speed builds trust. Trust builds loyalty. And you know what loyalty drives? Growth. And the best part, you don't have to do everything at once. You can start small, like this month. Seriously, just pick one of these. Maybe start with WhatsApp replies. Then just watch what happens. Because remember, the real goal isn't just the tech. It's about having happier, less stressed customers. It's about giving your incredible team more time to actually care. And that's how real growth happens. Subscribe for more practical tips to grow your pharmacy.